Happy Mother's Day.
Salamat. Dami oh. Dami. Kanina ito galing. Kay Raven.
Happy Mother's Day, Ma. Ayun, thank you for everything, for taking care of us. And I'm sorry about being so a bad daughter, but yeah, I'm thankful to have you. Love you.
Ito. Jade.
Happy Mother's Day, Ma.
Kay Papa.
Life is just like a roller coaster. Sometimes you're on the top and sometimes you're at the bottom. I know there's a lot of buts and ifs in our life. Well, it doesn't matter. I will always on your side no matter what. Happy Mother's Day. Love you.
Pamani. Kay Ethan.
Ma, kahit madalas kang nagagalit sa akin, lalo na sa umaga, dahil mabagal ako kumilos, pero isa yon sa motivation para magsikap po ako. Happy Mother's Day. Love you, Ma.
Thank you sa mga bigay nyo. Naalala nyo ako.